Have you ever wanted to hug a place where you're going to feel like hugging Chicken Salad Chick? And with us is Mark.
It's a wonderful place.
It is.
It's a huggable place.
It's huggable.
And I'm even a huggable guy. So we get a lot of folks in here who really fall in love with the concept. It started in a young woman's home. Her mission was to make the best chicken salad in the South.
And she succeeded. Let's talk about some of the chicken salads, because you have 15?
We have 15 different flavors. It all starts out the same. It's a base recipe. To that, we build flavor profiles by putting fresh ingredients in every day. We put in things like apples, grapes, and pecans. We call that Fancy Nancy.
Fancy Nancy.
We put in almonds and cranberries. That's Cranberry Kelly. We have a decadent flavor called Sassy Scotty that has bacon, ranch, and cheddar cheese.
Sign me up.
My favorite is called Jalapeno Holly. It has pickled jalapenos in it, and it is scrumptious.
Yum, yum, yum.
Wonderful sides. We have a sample of our sides here. This is grape salad.
Grape salad.
A red and white seedless grapes with a delicious coating on it, and it's topped with brown sugar and pecans. This is called a gourmet chick, which is a scoop or a sandwich. Two of our delicious sides, cookie and a pickle. We also have one side which would be called an original chick.
Oh, awesome.
You can get soup and sandwich, deli sandwiches.
What kind of soups?
Loaded potato, broccoli and cheese, chicken tortilla, and chicken artichoke Florentine.
Oh, wonderful. You're open for lunch and dinner.
6 days a week. We're closed on Sundays.
Catering.
We also do a lot
Awesome
of catering.
catering.
This is called a mini croissant platter. It comes with 36 mini croissants. You can get up to 3 different flavors of chicken salad. We'll prepare it, deliver it, and make the presentation. We sell chicken salad by the pound.
And they have some of the best sweet tea, too, here.
Yeah,
Oh,
wonderful
my
cookies.
goodness. Today it's lemon.
Key lime pie.
Ooh, yeah.
And brownies. My store has a Facebook page.
Right. And that's where you go to find out what events might be happening or what specials might be going on. This location is pretty convenient. You have tons of parking.
Southwest 34th at Archer Road, University Town Center. Easy in, easy out.
Right. You're going to love Chicken Salad Chick. Enriching lives, spreading joy,
And serving others.
Chicken Salad Chick.